Hi guys, and welcome back for another video from Nottingham Music Excellence. So I'm going to play Marche Militaire by Schubert, arranged for saxophone for grade 4 ABRSM. I think this is a lovely piece to play. Hope you enjoy it. Here we go. Okay, so you've heard the piece. Let's have a look at some of that detail and decide what we've got to really bring out to make that sound really good. So try and pick out the detail really clearly here. So you've got the accents and the tongue notes. So there's quite a bit of detail in there already, and especially at the end where you've got the ta da da ta da da ta. If you can tongue on the crotchet beat there, that'll help to really clarify that. I think it sounds quite good actually if you do more of a staccato note on each of those quavers there. I don't think that sounds as good actually. Personally, I prefer it like that, but whatever you fancy. So just make it sound really rhythmically interesting, I think. Make sure you really tongue those short notes nice and clear and just pick out those accents using the tongue on the reed. And especially down on this fourth line, really bring out these sforzandos. Bring that out as a bit of a feature of the music there. And then the next bit, I think this is the fiddly bit that people are going to have to practice. So you've got to really try and crush that B there into the A. So remember when you're playing that the crush note isn't actually kind of the main tune, it's the A. You're trying to really almost make that B non-existent. So the tune is still, and then with the crush note in there. So that's a little bit fiddly. And then on to the next bit. Now fortunately that's a C sharp, so it's not too bad. If it was a C, that would be a bit more fiddly, wouldn't it? So I think that's okay to play, it's not too bad. I think it's more the other one that's going to cause a few problems. All in all, I think this is a super piece to play for grade 4. It's got a really nice sort of feel to it, and the details are quite manageable. I think it's not too hard. Okay, so grab your saxophone. We're just going to do a little practice track together. I'm going to play that bit in the middle from bar 32, and I'm just going to play like 8 bars or something with you at a slower tempo and just see if we can get that really accurate together. And then I'm going to replay the performance track again, turning down the saxophone part so that you can play along with the piano. Okay, here we go. I'll give you 1, 2, 1, 2, and then we're in. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so the minutes of that will be in the description, so if you want to play through that several times, just click on that. It will be time coded in the description and you can have as many goes of that as you like. Okay, so I'm going to replay the performance track now. Have a go and play along with me, and I'll turn down my saxophone part. Here we go. Okay, that's a wrap from Marche Militaire. Hope you played that really well, really accurately, with really good dynamics. And of course, if you're presenting that for grade 4 this term, then the very best of luck to you. I hope you get a really good mark, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!